What's going on, guys? Happy Mother's Day to all the great moms out there. Got to give a big shout out to them. But as far as the video goes today, I wanted to bring you guys a couple tips and tricks for everyone who wants to get a little squirrely on these new bikes. Got to get around the new ABS system. So if you do a standing burnout for 2 seconds, you'll see the ABS light comes on. Now that means that your ABS is disabled until you turn the bike off. So now you can do whatever you want, you know, rolling burnouts, you know, have a little fun, and don't have to worry about that sticky ABS system getting in the way. Woo! She's got some get up and go, this thing. Let's see, I'll give it one more shot. I've been kind of getting into this a little bit lately, exploring, doing some standing rolling burnouts, so we'll see. Wait for this truck. Because eventually I have some crash bars coming in, so I want to put those on, have a little more confidence for, you know, a little more reassurance if anything happens or you drop the bike or anything. Give it one more. There we go. Woo! There we go, baby. Woo! Been off a couple years, but it's coming back. That was pretty nice. So check out the damage. Woo! Getting a little squirrely. Feeling a little froggy today. Let's try one more. Oh man, I can see this is gonna be a fun bike. Woo! Here we go. There we go, guys. Oh, I can see where this channel's heading. Gonna be putting this Harley through the test. All right, one more for good measure. Brake action. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm loving this thing. There we go. So I gotta let you guys in on a little secret. Actually, the whole reason behind me getting a Harley was to get off the sport bikes and kind of, you know, calm down a little bit, because I was starting to get a little crazy, and you know, the ladies in my life were worrying a little bit, and I started watching all these Harley videos as far as wheeling, burnouts, drifting, and I got super excited, and I was like, I gotta pick me up one of these guys. There we go. Man, this ABS may have to come off for good. Woo! I would say that's not bad for really the second attempt. I mean, I did this once off camera, like just to give it 1 or 2 goes, and I don't know, maybe the pressure being on camera made me perform a little bit, because that was pretty sick. That worked out pretty well. All right, one more. Yeah, buddy. Getting squirrely. I guess the real question is how long until that cop that was sitting in the mall over there winds up coming over here. So guys, really the intention today was not supposed to be a stunt video. Woo! Got a little audience now. Damn. So like I was saying, today's not really supposed to be a stunting video. It was more supposed to be a little tip and trick on how to have a little fun, but I guess, you know, having fun got the best of me. But all right, let me try one going this way. I haven't tried one this way yet. Yeah, baby. Woo! Hell yeah. That guy was enjoying the show. Alright, let me get out of here. Oh wait, hold on. I'm gonna do one more round just to see what it looks like on the pavement here, because you can kind of pick up this, like, see, you know, how you're tracking. So let me see what we got going on here, and then I gotta get out of here. Oh yeah, that's nice. That is, I'm super pumped right now. I'm super pumped. That was fun. Alright, let me get out of here before I get hit by one of these FedEx employees on their way to lunch. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. I appreciate you guys watching. If you want to see some more footage like this, stunting and stuff, I mean, that's pretty much where this channel's headed, and that's kind of the plan I had in the back of my mind. I didn't want to jump the gun and say anything before I started doing anything. So, you know, here it is, guys. I hope you enjoy. If you like this kind of content, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And once again, shout out to all you mothers. Happy Mother's Day. And ride safe, guys. Woo!